my dear and lovely friends, welcome back to a new tutorial. If you are new here, you are welcome as well. Today's video I'm shooting it outside, so the audio is going to be uploaded differently. So if I'm not talking, it's because there is so much noise. Let me show you how it is outside. You see, it is so much noise, so I have to replace the audio or do the audio separately. Today's video is about this massive Ankara dress. It is very easy to make. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to sew this dress, and you can style it more than 4 different ways. Dressmaking is not all I upload in this channel. If you don't like dressmaking, you can switch to any other of my video. Please drop your comment and tell me which of the tutorial you would like to see next, and I will put that in my schedule. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you have not already done so before you drop your comments. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. Words is not even enough to say how happy and blessed I feel to have all of you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. With no further delay, let's start to make this dress. I have cut out my 2-piece and folded it in 2, so it will now be 4-piece. So after doing that, the only thing we need now is just the armhole. My armhole, I take 7 inches. But I'm going to add about 3 inches for the elastic. You have to know which type of elastic you are using, how bright it is, so that is how you can leave your allowance for the elastic. This is the place where I'm going to attach the sleeve. I did not cut out a sleeve pattern. I just cut out a square fabric. I don't want my sleeve to be very full because of the different styles I am going to be wearing my dress with, so that when I put my sleeve inside my dress, it will not be too bulky, you know, or puffing, anyhow we call it. So it's not going to be very full. The only change I make with the sleeve is that I just slant towards the end of my sleeve so that it will have that sleeve shape. After pinning the sleeve to the piece, the next thing is just to sew the edges and then fix the elastic, and your dress is finished. And I'm going to style it now for you, as you have seen in the video before. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much and love you. Bye.